Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. Let's continue with our fourth video, and the aim of this video is open our project of the second video, save it as pdi.c. Then we are going to include the dash define macros to get information anytime in the body of our program, and then we are going to ask to the user the information using the scanf. The final we are going to compile and run using the terminal. So let's start over first. I have my pdi.c program. If you remember in the second video, I think you can check it out how I made this. I made some really small changes. An example here, there was some information like the age, I don't know 25, but because we are going to ask to the customer or to the user this information, I'm going to take out this information. Okay, so in this case, we are going to add a new variable int result and the semicolon. Also, I want to explain something really important, which is this. I'm just going to copy and paste. Let me go and paste it here. Okay, the dash define, and this is the name, mean 8. We can put whatever name, but this name we are going to contain the value 5, and this is really important. Here is not important to put any number, because the program will use this information any part of our body. So it's really important to not put semicolon and include this stdlib, which is stdlibrary.h. So let's start working with this information. At the beginning, we are going to launch our first message with the printf. In the printf, we can ask to the user, please enter your height in centimeters. Once we have this, we can scanf with the result. We are going to save this in result, and in the result we are going to put the scanf. In the scanf, remember it's a string, so it's really important, percent decimal, and comma, ampersand, and the name of our variable, which is 8. After we put this, we can put our first conditional with one if. What if the user put instead of one integer, put one string, one letter? So we can use, if the result is completely different from 1, so we can launch our first dialog, which is printf, and here we can say to the user, please a number, and here our exit, and the first issue will call number 1. Okay, so let's continue with our next. Let me check it out if I don't have any bug or any missing. I think that's okay enough. So in the second part, we are going to put another conditional. What if the 8 is minus the mean. We are going to use our first macros, the mean 8. What happens if the number is minus the number here, 5? Well, in this case, we are going to launch one message to the user, which is printf, and in the printf we can put 8 is too small, is too small, and exit. And this is another problem, so that's why we're going to put the number 2, because it's not the number 1, it's the number 2. Problem number 2, issue number 2, if you want to call it. I'm just my words to understand this. I hope I'm not going to confuse you. In 8, if 8, what happens if there is the opposite? If there is greater. So min, and then we're going to put 8. What happens if this is the case? If there is too much, we can launch the result to the user, and we can printf, we can say to the user extreme, that is extreme large, extreme tall, and the name of our bug or issue, exit, and this is called the number 2 because they are in the same level. So I think that will be all just for the first part. Just copy and paste, and we are going to be fast with the second, which is the weight. Please enter your weight. Here we're going to obviously change the weight, and here in result nothing to change, but here we need to change here weight, and the mean weight is tiny, it's tiny, and here max weight. Actually, I see one issue here, because here is not mean, it's max age. That's the correct. Okay, I'm very glad to see this problem. So okay, we can continue with less problems in the future. Extreme tall, extreme fat. Extreme fat, we can just copy and paste here that there is no box, and let's continue. Copy and paste the first part and the last, which is enter your age. In enter your age, we're going to put age, and here's nothing to change, but here's something to change with age, and the minimum age, and here is not enough, and here we must change max age, and also age here, and we can put too old. Okay.